What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're focusing with Bitcoin here. You can see the bearish Gartley pattern hitting almost to perfection that 43.5k level, slightly below that range. This is a pattern that we have been talking about the last week. This was yesterday's video where we were still looking for that 43.5. We almost hit it to the exact dollar here, guys, as you can see on the chart. Also, yesterday's video, we were talking about this scenario potentially breaking above the major resistance, getting a bounce from that box to retest almost these highs. This is exactly what is happening with Bitcoin right now, guys. You cannot get more accurate than that. Now, you want to know where are we heading to in the next coming days. So let's crack on with this video. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. New to the channel, make sure to subscribe daily to on Bitcoin crypto, also to live stream to connect with the community. Not financial advisor, don't buy anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Let's dive in, guys. Before I start, quick reminder, if this video gets over 1,000 likes and you comment down below, you are eligible for a giveaway in Bitcoin. Now, guys, let's zoom in here on the chart. I know price action was very boring the last week. We were slowly climbing and having these retracements, all right? But finally, we did meet the target of the 43.5k range, okay, hitting this major resistance zone. We have been talking about this major resistance for the last few days, that Bitcoin was very likely going to get liquidity above these highs over here, above this lower high, above this one, all right? Very likely to have that spike up. We had it here to perfection, hitting this major resistance. What resistance? Well, this is a major level that I had marked up. Okay, I've got the yellow weekly. It's a very important weekly level here for me that I got marked up, but also the green one right here, which is this high. It is this major resistance with volatility, as you can see here on the chart. And also it was reacting as major support as soon as we were above it. As you can see, major support as soon as we were getting above this level. So you can feel that you are going to get a kind of reaction at that range. This is why we have the levels marked out to take profit, because it's going to be having a big reaction. You can see here the top of the green, the top of this spike over here is exactly at this green horizontal level that I got, and we just touched that level and got a big retracement. Absolutely fantastic how this technical analysis sometimes just works to perfection. Now, let me just analyze the situation, because yesterday we talked about it is actually playing out. It's a scalp position. I did not enter because I'm doing other analysis, of course, and getting the video ready for YouTube. But yesterday we talked about this scenario where you have this major resistance over here, also resistance there, and that if you were going to break above this level, you were very likely going to get a first bounce from it. You are actually getting that bounce right now, guys. So this is a quick, scalp day trade opportunity. It's just a trade here for a couple of hours. It's already, reaching a level of take profit, because you enter right over here at the bounce, and you basically want to take profits almost when you're reaching the top. I would take the Fibonacci levels from the top to the low, and I would be already eyeing that 618, because you could create a lower high and continue to the downside. This is why you get in and you get out, okay, nearing the high, because you do not know if you're going to create a double top or hit the 618 and come down, or actually break it. It doesn't matter. You're here to make gains. It doesn't matter where the price goes. You know where it's going to bounce, and you know where it potentially is going to stop. You guys want to make money here daily. You don't care where the price is going, up or down. You want to have your levels marked up to get in and get out of the market, guys. This is just how it works. For all of those traders with experience, the best platforms that I use for crypto is Bybit. For swing trading, you can get up to $4,100 worth of bonus and a 30% trading fee discount with my link. For day trading, I like to use Prime XBT. You could get up to $7,000. Okay, added to your deposit by using Bitcoinsensus 50 as your promotion code. You basically get 7% added to your deposit, and it's up to $7,000 added. Both of the tutorials of these platforms are down below in the description. So that played out pretty nicely. Now, what is going to happen? We need to find out the scenarios. If this Gartley pattern is bearish, it's a bearish pattern, it's very, very likely that you are going to get that retracement from this level, okay? You do have that D point. Supposedly, the bearish Gartley pattern needs to hit the 618 from the C to the D. So if you actually get fib levels from C to D here, we are looking for that 618 potential first target, which is right down here, just below $40,000. So that is the potential target from this Gartley pattern. Of course, we do have a lot of support. We need to see how the price action reacts to this range, because we could get heavily supported and we could see a lot of bullish momentum. This is not the moment that I would short this pattern. I want to see the pattern failing, the bulls failing, attempting to break this resistance, where you are going to have multiple wicks, multiple attempts to break this 43.5k level to the upside, fail, and then get in a potential short opportunity. I am starting to get bearish at these levels, not bullish. You know the deal. We want to be bullish all the way down here. We want to be bearish at the high levels, right? So I am looking for potential short opportunities right now. So in the next couple of days, let's see how we do react to this range, because if we start seeing a failing attempts to break the 43.5, we can see the bulls are getting exhausted with this trend. We do have this bearish pattern. We do have big resistance. Then it will be confirming for a nice potential short opportunity, guys. So this is what I got right now for Bitcoin. I am looking for shorts. I want to have a look to see how we react to this level, because we could go through like a bullet here. We could slice through it. I want to see the bulls getting exhausted. Once they get exhausted, I will be stepping in for a potential short. Just like the bears were getting exhausted right over here, confirming that it's not able to break down. I entered along. I had my targets here. Took the profits here at this spike. Absolutely amazing, guys, how this works sometimes. So let's take a look here. Also, I am eyeing something, all right? Now, this is not guaranteed, of course. It's a cup and handle pattern, all right? It's just something that I was looking at, where we do have this resistance level, okay? You have the drop, nice round formation, climbing up to this resistance. You create the handle. On the third, you retest, you break out, you bounce. You could have some pretty big bullish momentum here. Now, this is very, very possible. This is why I wouldn't short this Gartley pattern just yet. I want to see the bulls getting exhausted, like I just explained, at this level. Funny enough, the target from this cup and handle, okay, the technical target, getting the low part to the resistance from the breakout that has happened, we're currently getting a bounce from that resistance turning into support, would take us just round about that $47,000, right? So this cup and handle target is $47,000. We're just getting that bounce. Let's see if we can see some bullish momentum. And funny enough, hitting that target of this potential small cup and handle is also the target of the huge bearish Gartley pattern that we have been eyeing for a long time. Let me just get this out of the way, okay? There's fib levels, this Gartley pattern. I still think that we are possibly going to that direction. Let me just get here another chart where I do have the channel and this big bearish Gartley. For any new subscribers, or people that are new or even not subscribed here watching the channel, I was eyeing this bearish Gartley for quite some time right now, and it still could be in play, where we do have the spike here on the 27th of December, right over here, around about the 52k levels, till the low, to this high over here, and then hitting the 0.88 here almost to perfection. Absolutely amazing. And then the potential target, okay, from C to D would be to the 0.079. That would be the target of the Gartley, and that is taking you to around about $48,000 range. So we could see that bullish momentum in the next couple of days. We're still all right with fib timing. We've just got a little bit of more time here to get up there, but it's very, very possible, as you can see. So I could see that potential cup and handle playing out, hitting that target, hitting the target here of the bearish Gartley. So this is why I am not shorting this short-term bearish Gartley. I want to see the price action getting exhausted. This will be the moment that I'll be shorting. I am not interested in shorting now because we could slice through this level. I mean, this is super important, guys. You need to wait, be patient, let the price action do its stuff so you can decide what to do. Just a quick explanation, guys, on what is happening on the market, showing you the levels that I've been talking about the last few days, hitting the ranges to perfection, guys. You know, it can't get as accurate as this. I'll be doing a live stream afterwards. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll be looking for potential opportunities on the traditional stock market, Bitcoin, maybe some other altcoins. Thank you, guys. Check out Bitcoinsensus website, and I'll see you in the next one.